Cameron Crayk with Crayk Closed Real Estate. Hey, it's not very often that you find a home that meets all your criteria, checks all the boxes. Things like a quiet tree-lined street, a secluded backyard, all the interior upgrades that you're looking for, a huge detached garage, walking distance from 160-acre Bingham Creek Regional Park, and we're also within walking distance from the prestigious Glenmoor Golf Club. All those things together make this house a hole-in-one. First thing we notice as we enter this home is the excellent use of space. We've got this cool little half bath with a pocket door here as we enter, and then we walk right into this spacious dining room. This table here seats 6. You could probably fit a table that seats 8 or 10 in here. We've got these beautiful laminate floors throughout that flows right into this huge kitchen that's perfect for entertaining. We've got quartz countertops. We've got these beautiful soft close shaker maple cabinets throughout as well. Plenty of cabinet space in this kitchen. One of my favorite things about this kitchen is this beautiful view out the kitchen window to the backyard. While you're here doing dishes, you've got all this natural light. It just feels happy and open in here. Another great feature in this kitchen is this spacious quartz countertop island. Come with me, we're gonna head down into the living room. It feels cozy and warm, and you're right off the kitchen. Okay, now we're gonna head downstairs. Down here we have 2 more bedrooms and another full bath, another great use of space down here. We can enter the full bathroom here. Of course, it's got the top of the line finishes. We've got the same shaker maple cabinets, quartz countertops, nice open full bath and shower with a nice tiled surround. And then we have 2 bedrooms down here as well, like I mentioned. Got one here on the south side of the house, and the other bedroom over here on the north side. Also down here in the basement, we've got our own dedicated laundry room. Plenty of room in here to do all the laundry. And then also behind this little pocket door, we have all of your utilities. All the utilities are tucked away where you can't see them. Included with the purchase of the home are all the appliances, including this washer and dryer. Now let's head up to the second floor. Follow me upstairs. Let's take a peek at this master bedroom, one of my favorite rooms in the house. And check out this feature that every woman's gonna love. In the walk-in closet, it has its own vanity and get-ready area, quartz countertops, shaker maple cabinets, your own sink, perfect to get ready in the morning, and a huge walk-in closet as well. Who doesn't love a barn door, and it flows right into your spacious master closet here. Let's take a look at the master bath, just off the master bedroom here. Tile surround here in the shower. We've got those same laminate floors that are throughout the home. We've got another pocket door in here. Close off the shower and toilet for some privacy. And then here's another beautiful vanity with quartz countertops. We're up here on the second floor. We've got the master bedroom here to my left, the 2 other bedrooms behind me, and another unique feature about it up here is that this flows directly into the bathroom that's shared with the master as well. One thing to mention about this home as well is all the love and attention that the sellers have put into it. Over the last 5 years, they've completely remodeled this home, and the attention to detail is second to none. Let's take a peek out back. The sellers also put on this brand new Trex deck within the last couple of years. You've got this beautiful secluded yard. It feels like you're miles from anyone, but you're really just minutes from downtown Daybreak. You know what that is behind me? That's every man's dream. We've got a 24 by 30 detached garage here. It's got power. It's got room upstairs for a workshop or storage. You can park all the toys in here or build, do whatever you'd like down here as well. Again, this can all be yours. The quiet, secluded yard, the tree-lined street, the craftsmanship, all the interior upgrades, the beautiful home, To schedule a showing, call me at 801-971-9357 or email me at cameron@cameroncrayk.com.